Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add custom field on Asana. So this is very simple, just follow these steps. So this is the main interface of Asana. So first of all, under the My Workspace we will click on YouTube Automation. So this new tab is open. You can see this is the main interface of My Workspace. Now we will go on List. So under the List tab there are multiple options available, but we will click on Task Name. Now new tab is appear. Customize tab, you will add custom field. Click on this. Now you can add title according to your choice, like I'm typing demo list 1. Now after adding the title, you can see under this you will type description. So in this way you can add custom field in Asana. You can also use these options to change the colors and also add to my workspace field is library, and you can also use these three options. So this is very simple method to add custom field on Asana.